All right, today I'm going to show you this awesome SEO strategy leveraging Reddit. This strategy is so simple, so easy, but so underutilized. It's going to blow you away how good this works. So I'm going to dive through this, show you all the components, how to do it, and a special tool to be able to implement this. Really easy. You can start doing this today. Let's go. Like, just for example, if you do a search on Google, right? Like, let's just do best CRM. And we scroll down, more times than not, you're going to have Reddit as far as one of the sources and one of the top sources showing on Google. So what we want to do is we want to leverage our content, our website, to show in the mix here, above, preferably above, in AI overviews, AI citations, but in the mix. So, because it shows very close to the top, above Ford's, above Zapier, above like some of these major companies and major websites. So the goal is to get us up here close to the top. So we're going to get a lot of this traffic and a lot more traffic. And that's why this strategy works really well. And that's what I'm going to go over. So a lot of times when people search, they will add Reddit to their search query because they want user-generated sources. They want feedback from real people. They want to see what real people are saying. They don't trust a lot of what companies are saying because obviously, a lot of them are full of crap and blowing smoke. So they want to see, okay, it's the same reason that people want to read reviews. So that's what people are searching that way. And that's where we want to fill that in and do content based on that because people trust that more. People trust reviews. They trust what Reddit users are saying because there's no skin in the game usually. So what we want to do is we want to build content around those Reddit searches. For example, Reddit. So if we do best running shoes, Reddit, we want to build out that page and basically show up for one of those searches at the top. So again, if someone types in best running shoes Reddit, these are going to be all the Reddit posts that come up. Obviously, you're going to have sponsored products here. But again, if we build it around there, we can get featured in with these Reddit posts and get a lot of that traffic. And because not everyone's going to only click into Reddit, they're going to scroll down, they're going to see this other thing, these other content pieces, Runner's World's up here, Run Repeats up here. So you can get and build content around those Reddit posts. And that's the whole idea behind this. It's legit because it's not a trick. So this is just a resource page. And there's 3 reasons to build one. So you can catch the search, genuine resource pages, guides, roundups, your own subreddit legitimately answers questions, topic, Reddit searches. You can unlock keyword data. So tools like SEMrush have almost no data on Reddit keywords because nobody bids on them. So your live page plus Google Search Console becomes your own keyword tool. And then you can steer the authority. You choose which subreddit deserves to rank and link to it, passing your site's authority to the best answer. So basically, an example of this would be publishing SEO tools Reddit loves 2026. Search Console then shows people searching best SEO tools Reddit, SEO course Reddit, and then data. It's data that SEMrush never had. So now you know exactly what to build next. So you're taking advantage of those searches. And you're going to build on this. This is going to be a content ladder, right? So this is why this works. So you don't jump straight to the hard keyword, you climb to it. So you want to build, publish tiny pages, 100 to 400 words, targeting super low competition Reddit keywords, even the ones loosely related to you. So you get them to click on that, and then they go into the next piece of content to the next piece of content. So it's like a ladder. So like, for example, if you have like a payroll app, you would start with vibe coding Reddit, right? And then link to SaaS tools Reddit, link to payroll software Reddit. I can't talk today. And then finally, best payroll software Reddit 2026. So each rung feeds the next in your content ladder. Number 4, relevance beats size. So when a tiny site can outrank a giant one. So your site is small, your page title and URL slug do 90% of the work telling Google what you're about. A page that is 100% about payroll software Reddit can tie a huge can tie a huge brand that only mentions it in passing because the giant's authority gets multiplied by how relevant the page is. So big brands also can't easily target these. Their own big pages would compete with cannibalizing the small one. So you can compete by doing these highly concentrated pages on these targeted Reddit keywords. So how do you build it? So the page itself is simple. Get these two things right. So put the keyword in the slug and the title. That alone carries most of your relevance on a small site. Don't keyword stuff the body. Write naturally. Add a few H2 subheadings around related questions once you want to rank for the tougher terms. Use AI to help draft, but feed it your blog, your brand, your voice, and then make further edits as necessary. So example would be best payroll, like your slug would be best payroll software Reddit 2026. Title, best payroll software Reddit actually recommends 2026. And then your H2 is what Reddit says about QuickBooks, cheapest option for small teams, red flags to avoid, short, honest keyword in the right spots. And it's important, don't cross the line. This is just a kind of fair warning. This is white hat, find the easy questions people ask, write and publish each page. Never on a brand new site, never without your brand assets. Hooking this up to doing mass content is what's going to get you flagged. And this is what Google is kind of dinging right now with their new updates. They don't want the mass machine content that bots and stuff are creating, right? You can use AI to create content to help you create it, but don't publish 30 articles a day, 30 pieces of content that's just commodity that anyone can do. That's what people are doing. They're like, hey, Claude, create 30 articles on this topic. And it's just going to be generic, non-structured AI slop. And that's what they're targeting, right? You want to create content in a white hat way that has your brand voice, your brand assets, that's structured from an SEO standpoint, and that has this strategy behind it, this Reddit strategy behind it, where you're targeting those Reddit keywords. You can also link to subreddits, but you're having your own brand assets, your own brand voice, and that's why this is working really good. So what I'm using for this, and what I've talked about many times on this channel, is Arvow, because it's a fantastic tool. They do use AI, but it's so customizable that you're going to make non-commodity unique articles and content using their software because of the customization. So you have a couple of options. Obviously, you can go in here and create SEO articles. You can give it a title. You can give it the keywords to target, like payroll, app, Reddit, whatever the case may be, and then create content that way. It also does news articles, YouTube articles. But when you're creating content, you can automatically add your brand assets in your content, which is what makes this so powerful. It's not going to be generic. You can give it your brand brief, so it's going to be writing in your brand voice and tone. But when you're creating content, you can set up your template. So you can basically give it your knowledge base, case studies, training materials, your website. So it's going to use that when creating the content. You can give it your sitemap, so it's going to link to your other pages to get that SEO juice to the other pages. You can give it your own images, or it'll create it for you, your own videos, or it'll create it for you. The other cool thing is you can create templates with variables. So there's all these templates that I have. This is for plumbing. This is for real estate. So there's a whole training on here showing you how to do the article templates that you can watch tutorial. But to set this up, it's fantastic because you're interjecting your own variables in here. That's 100% related to you, your business, and your business alone. So it's going to always be unique to your business, and it's going to be a non-commodity based article. So this is, again, another tool that you can use in your tool belt to pump out content that is 100% unique to you and adds value to the end user, which is what Google is looking for. And then you can also set this up on autopilot. There is an auto blog. So you can configure an auto blog. You give it a feed, which would be a keyword feed, an RSS feed, a YouTube feed, and then basically or a news feed. And then you can have it create articles and publish to your website. So you can integrate with any website. If I go here, create an integration, boom, boom, integrate it, publish it. So you can do it that way if you want. There's a site optimizer. It'll analyze your whole site from an SEO standpoint, tell you what's wrong, what to fix, and why. And then you can apply the changes, a couple of clicks. There's a backlink pool, so you can enter your website, and then when you create content or someone else creates content, it's going to see what backlinks are relevant and interject those as external links in your content. Works on autopilot. Awesome. Most businesses are getting like 1 to 5 backlinks a day. LLM brand monitor to monitor your brands, the prompts that people are searching, and your performance, so you can work on that. You can add your own prompts in here if you want. But the easiest way to improve your visibility is just to create content around the prompts that are lacking. So that's easy. You can take this prompt, create a title around it, keyword, create content, boom, done. Site Explorer, this is like Ahrefs. It'll analyze any site's content or pages content. You can see the traffic of their site and their pages. So fantastic tool. That's how you can use this to make your life a lot easier with this Reddit strategy that's so underutilized. This is very, very sneaky, but very, very good. So there's a link to Arvow below if you want to try this, but definitely I would work this into your tool kit because it's going to work really well for you. The businesses are doing this, so it's working really well. But that's it for today. Hopefully that helps you guys out. Check out this other SEO video. I'll be back soon with some more good stuff for you guys.